Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our universal Android in the 2007 Hummer H2. It's a pickup truck. That's where we did the backup camera. This is our latest Android unit with Android 7.1 built into it. As you can see, all the apps are here. You can use Google Maps, Waze, or any other apps that you like. And it has 32 gig hard drive. Just want to show you the backup camera by going to reverse. Shows the back of the car. Park, it goes back. If you're interested to get this type of universal unit, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.